Now, the third mantra, a wonderful technique. The third mantra is creative visualization, and feel your success and talk to your brain success. Creative visualization is the wonderful technique of using your imagination to create what you want in your life. Man can create anything which he can visualize, because the Creator, God, is within you. Man has conquered the air so completely that the birds are a poor match for him in flying. He has analyzed and weighed the sun at a distance of millions of miles. He has increased the speed of locomotion until he may now travel at a speed of more than 1,000 miles an hour. When we create something, we always create it first in a thought form. A thought or idea always precedes manifestation. An artist first has an idea or inspiration, then creates a painting. An engineer first has a design and he builds a house. The idea is like a blueprint. It creates an image of the form, which then magnetizes and guides the physical energy to flow into that form and eventually manifests it on the physical plane. Simply having an idea itself is an energy which will tend to attract and create that form on the material plane. If you constantly visualize illness, you will become ill. If you visualize yourself to be beautiful, you become so. As you sow, so shall you reap. Visualization, whether conscious or unconscious, are powerful things. They create a reality for us by attracting an external experience to match with our internal visualization. When you visualize success, success is the result. When you visualize negative, failure is the result. Lower expectations frequently limit the possibilities for us. The principle of attraction is always at work, either consciously or unconsciously in our life. If you begin with great expectations, you believe with every fiber of your being that you will succeed. Then you will use your great potential. Then you are excited, energized. You will take good actions, and the results will be great success. People often limit you by little comments. You can't be a scientist because you are an average. These limitations will stop you from visualizing your future because you believed your elders, and you are doubting your unlimited potentials. You place boundaries on yourself. This mantra, creative visualization of success, enables you to tap the transformational energy of your formative mind. Many professional athletes have used the power of visualization for improving their performance. It can release your mind of negative thoughts and begin the process of profound change in both the mind and body. Creative visualization takes advantage of our physical, mental, and spiritual nature to create for us those things we desire in our lives. It makes you more comfortable with attracting the positive, which empowers you, your thoughts. So, visualize your success. The great leaders of business, industry, Great artists, musicians, poets and writers became great because they developed the faculty of creative visualization. Imagination is stronger than the will. Most of the people visualize problems, but when you visualize success, health, happiness, it will become true. Psychologists and psychiatrists point out that when we visualize, impressions are made in the brain cells. Our subconscious accepts an idea. It proceeds to put that idea into effect immediately. It draws on the infinite power, energy and wisdom within you. It lines up all the laws of nature to get its way. You will become whatever you consistently visualize about yourself. When you visualize success again and again, the miracle working potential of your subconscious mind comes out, because repetition is important to influence the subconscious mind. In each moment, you are creating yourself and your life. No matter where you come from, you decide where you are going from here. If you fail to choose and act, you become a prisoner of your past, a victim of your conditioning. Your creation starts with a dream, and faith and visualization lead you to your destiny. If you are going to be a star in any field, it's your mind, not your body, that will get you there. Success is 70% mental. Talk to your brain. It can fill your life with new vital energy. Self-talk is based on the latest scientific developments about how the human brain receives and accepts information. As much as 77% of what you tell yourself may be working against you. The brain simply believes whatever you tell it most, and what you tell it about you, it will create. It has no choice. During the first 18 years of our lives, if we grew up in fairly average, positive homes, we were told no, or what we couldn't do, more than 148,000 times. If you were a little more fortunate, you may have been told no only 1 lakh times or 50,000 times. You have to deprogram and reprogram this negative programming by self-talk. According to our recent findings in neurology, the speech center in the brain has strong influences over all the other nerves. So talk to your brain and change your language. If you do not change your language, you will not be changed. The most effective self-talk is, I am a winner. Think like that. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am energetic, enthusiastic, dynamic. I am confident. I have great memory. Think like that and believe. Think for yourself. Speak for yourself. Educate and program your own mind in this manner. Don't waste the power of your mind giving into the petty inconveniences of life. Use that energy for something good. Channel it. Control it. Focus it. Give yourself the powerful words and directions that put you in control of yourself. You will realize the amazing effects of self-actualization. Bear in mind, you can break or make your life by self-talk. Make or break. Get freedom from self-punishing thoughts. You may be imprisoned by yourself. Break your prison door and come out of it. You can change your life by changing your self-talk. You can condition yourself to success. Now, let us go for golden mantra meditation the powerful meditation that will transform your personality. Do this meditation for 41 days and realize the amazing change in you. There is no way to fail unless you literally give up. If you persist and do not give up, you will definitely succeed. Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What actions you take today will shape your ultimate destiny. One of the most common causes of failure is the habit of quitting. Every person is guilty of this mistake at one time or another. So my dear friends, do this golden mantra meditation every day in your life. Once, an American shoe company sent a sales manager to South Africa to know the scope of selling shoes there. When he reached there, he was totally disappointed, sad, because nobody was wearing shoes there. He immediately sent a telegram to the company. "I'm coming back because nobody is wearing shoes here." He went back to America. The company terminated him. The company sent another person to South Africa. When he reached there, he was thrilled. His joy knew no bounds. He too sent a telegram. "I am not coming back because nobody is wearing shoes here. Send all the shoes what we have in our godowns." The company sent all the shoes what they had in their godowns. He did a very wonderful business there. The first person thought negatively, destructively, and the second person thought positively and creatively. Be an optimist. Success will come to you. Success is not an accident. You have to plan to make it happen. Where there is no vision, people perish. Where there is vision, people flourish. Thank you. Thank you very much. May God bless you.